Our video is going to be over oil, natural gas, and coal and how they are formed. Coal, oil, and natural gas are often referred to as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are substances formed over millions of years ago from deposition of organic matter. Deposition means the dropping. We learned this when we talked about sedimentary rocks. Organic matter is the remains of dead plants and animals. Remember, remains means anything left over after the organism has decomposed. Millions of years ago, heat and pressure turned the remains of tiny marine animals called diatoms into oil. This oil is trapped in layers of sedimentary rock. Marine just means animals found under the ocean. So all of this happened in the water. Natural gas is the gas form of oil. When more heat and pressure are applied to oil, natural gas forms. Oil is formed by heat and pressure turning the remains of tiny marine animals, so any animal under the sea, called diatoms, into oil. This oil is then trapped in layers of sedimentary rock. The more layers of rock that get pressed on top, the more pressure is applied to that oil, which eventually turns into natural gas. Last thing we want to talk about is coal. Coal was formed 500 million years ago. In a swampy marshland, organic matter from dead plants and small organisms, so small animals, were compressed underground by heat and pressure. So in order to get coal, we go through a few different stages. First stage is peat, then lignite, bitumenite, and the final stage is anthracite, which is actual coal. The biggest difference between these three things is that oil and natural gas both start off underwater, and coal is going to happen on land, which is why you can actually see the grass in our picture here. There's going to be no summary for this. When you're done, move on to your next assignment.